Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Meakhernandez. Now today, it's a very simple cleaning that I have. I mean, so simple that I'm not even gonna break out any kind of hardcore cleaning products. Lately, I've been wearing the Nike Majestic Reds a lot. I mean, a lot. And I don't normally wear shoes, repeatedly. But here they are. They're not too bad, they're not too dirty. But what I do notice, and it bothers me, me as just me, since I wear them a lot, I feel like they're dirty. I feel like they're dusty. But no, I'm not gonna break out any kind of cleaning solution on them and get this big deep scrub going. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a simple wipe down. Now what I mean by wipe down is I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this Angelus brush that I got here, and I typically just use this brush to knock off any excess dirt from any shoe that I'm cleaning. I'll just grab my brush and kind of just dust away any little dirt that I feel is on the shoe. And honestly, by dusting the shoe off like that, I do kind of notice like little spots. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I don't know what that is. Like a little stain right in that area. But anyway, I'll just dust off any kind of surface dirt that is on the shoe. Now the second thing that I like to do is I like to use shoe wipes. I got these Rejuvenators. I had them for a while, and honestly I don't even know why I have them in here still, because I have one left and it's like super dried out. But if you go to any Target, Walmart, Marshalls, whatever, even on Amazon, you can find these Armor cleaning wipes. These come in clutch. They won't damage your shoes. I've used them numerous times. But typically I like to grab just one wipe. They're pretty big. Just a quick little fold up, and then I'll just kind of go over the shoe. Mainly the midsole, because that does get dirty, does get, dusty per se. And doing this, honestly, just trying to get that little stain out. For some reason, it's like on there. There we go. Got it off. Doing this, it actually prevents me from sitting there and doing deep cleans on all my shoes. You know what I mean? Because I do like to wear them. But like I said, I've been wearing these religiously for some reason. I'm not even sure why. I'm not 100% crazy about the colorway because it is hard to match it. But I've been rocking them. Now, back to the wipe. You only need one wipe. You can do both shoes from this one wipe. Let me go ahead and grab that other one. Alright, so I went ahead and grabbed the other shoe. I'm just gonna do the same process. They just feel dusty, they feel dirty. That's probably just a mental thing with me. Just knocking off any kind of loose dust, dirt. And where I live, trust me, there's a lot of dust and dirt. Same wipe that I used on that first shoe. I'm just gonna go ahead and give it just a little wipe down. Now at this point, if you like, you can go ahead and just grab you another wipe. I mean, these wipes aren't expensive whatsoever. Only like about $4, $5 at Target or whatnot. Walmart, same difference, same shit. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hit this midsole up again, or on this one. But that one wipe, man, it goes a long way. Let's just hit this up right here. All right, so now I got both shoes done. You really can't see them, but I got both shoes completed now. This was the first shoe that I did here. It's already dry. Already dried up, ready to go back into your sneaker boxes or into your cases, whatever you have. There you go. The bottom, I'm not worried about it. It's the bottom of the shoe. It's gonna get dirty. But if your shoe is still wet, then you might want to just, you know, if you're in a rush to put them away, got this old towel here, kind of just give it a little wipe down, a little dry off. Every shoe doesn't need a deep clean. But there you go. Got the shoe clean, ready to go for the next time I want to wear them, which in all honesty, it will probably be this weekend. But anyway, guys, thanks for checking out this short video on just maintaining your kicks. You don't always have to scrub them. As long as you maintain them, you can always wear them. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.